Okay, so someone asked me for my setup, my FPV setup, and how I connected the ezuhf into the rvosd. So in this video, I'll try to show that really quick. So this is on a Skywalker 1900 millimeter. So ezuhf, and then rvosd, and then I have the Lawmate 1.2. 1000 milliwatt, and just a camera, standard camera. So let's go ahead. I'll start with the ezuhf. I set up this receiver with the software. So I set up the first channel, or channel number 1, to be my combined ppm signal. That's going to go into the rvosd. Let's see, this one is going into here on the rvosd. If you see it, and it's kind of hard to focus with this camera, it's my phone, but it's this one right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the 5th port from that side. So it's the 5th port is a combined ppm signal. And then let's see, my channel number 6, I connected my my flaps. That's right, I set up some flaps on here. So I set that up on channel 6. Then on channel 8, I configured that again using the software to display to shoot at the RSSI signal. So RSSI is going from here into the rvosd on let's see, from that end, if you're looking at it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So port number 6. I don't think that they call it by ports here, but just to give you a reference, it's number 6. Okay, so that's all that I did with the ezuhf receiver. Okay, now on the rvosd, I got the video in and video out from the camera. Here's the camera, just a standard FPV camera. Can't focus with this stupid phone, but I got 3 wires out of the camera. It's just video, ground, and positive, and that is going into, let's see, give me 1 second. There you go. Okay, so that's going into the first port. So video from the camera is going into the first port from this side now. So we're going from this side of the rvosd camera. This cable is going onto the camera. 3 wires, like I said, very simple. Video, ground, and positive. Okay, so that's going onto the first port here. Second port, and if you notice, the ground is always like the outermost pin. Second port, I'm taking that into video. This is a video out, and it's going into my Lawmate transmitter. So what I did with this, and it's 3 wires, negative, positive, and video, and that is going into like a little power switch here. Can't focus here, but it's like a little power switch on off. All what it is just a positive wire is going into this switch, and that's it. That kind of turns on and turns off the transmitter, the Lawmate transmitter, because I don't want it running all the time when I'm setting up on the ground. So I turn it on, turn it off from here. And then also the video signal, I connected into here. So this is like a little aux port. I can plug the LCD when I'm setting up on the ground, plug in the LCD, and I can see what's coming out of the video, out of the rvosd. This way I don't have to use wireless and can heat up or warm up my Lawmate transmitter. Okay, so that's the first two ports here, and then the rest I think is pretty much just connecting the control surfaces into the rvosd. So first is from the camera, the second port is to the transmitter, and then the third one is going into either my elevator or my rudder. Fourth port is empty. Fifth port is going into my ailerons, and then the sixth port is going into either my elevator or my aileron, I don't remember. And other than this, all I connected to the rvosd on the very last port is my current sensor. So current sensor is right there. It's also part of the rvosd. Kind of hard to see, but that's connected to the last port on the rvosd. That's all I had to do. The GPS antenna is connected to here on the rvosd. This is just for my video in, video out. I pretty much have these things on like all the wires going into the rvosd. And of course the rvosd is then on this anti-vibrate kind of tray, which is velcroed into the bottom of the Skywalker. So that's my setup. Okay, thank you. Bye.